much to each and every one of you for being here with us tonight. We are pleased to be able to welcome those of you who kayo nakuyog na mo today sa Kalisod. No? 6 years, hindi siya sayon. No? 6 years, hindi siya joke. Enjoy mo, ang pakabusog mo. So guys, thank you so much sa pag-aring. And welcome sa Archivist World Development Corporation!
Wala pa ko nag-expect na mabot ko sa times ngayon ani. Na ang usa ka probinsyano na taga-Karkar, maabot dire, no? Asa una, musikal mo ako panugoy o kanling. Yes! Okay?
Do it. I bet most of you would like to ask me that. To be honest, I don't know. Okay. It seems so surreal that I'm even at the top 20 in a span of 2 months something. Given that I just wanted results. Results as proof that it is possible to earn and inspire and to invite more people. Lo and behold, 322,000.
Today's a new day. Hear what I say. We're climbing steady.
Tayo ang tanan. Tulugay na karon, dugay na kadali sa Inspired. Gidagan ka 6 years. Or pila ka years din sa Inspired. Ayaw dali ang proseso. Guys, believe me. If you're doing the right thing, mabot sa kadali sa kubangan. Okay?
We won't stop now. We won't slow down. We won't give in now, we'll fight till the end. Now that we're flying, now that we're flying, flying, flying. Now that we're flying, now that we're flying, flying, flying.
The best thing is networking, as in networking. Di dato ka, nakatabang na dito sa mga tao niya.
Na to ang Ginoo. Siyempre, di siya madayon. Wala kang diri. Okay, kung wala siya misugot. Saktam!
Inspired!